What is that gonna do? Rory, we're gonna take out the shotgun, okay? He can't hit us.
Who's on the right?
Just shoot them when they come through. Okay, we're gonna take out. Dude, don't worry. Oh crap!
He has the flag! He has the flag!
Shoot it! Go!
Help! 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 Help!
You got bad guys!
They're right there. John. John.
No.
They're not looking. Hey, Papa. You can't run! Spray some!
Hey Josh, I'm going down to the right. Distract him, okay?
Got him distracted right here. Just go up on him right now.
I got. Hey, anybody else ahead?
Here, hold it.
Did you get Alex?
No, they're all in.
Where are they?
They're right here.
Why were you like this?
I told you. Right there, on the hill.
Run!
Run, Joe! Run!
Move!
Joe!
Run,
Move!
Go! Move!
Don't waste your ammo. Hey, Tanner, walks left.
Rory, you out?
Why?
You go up a little bit. Josh, watch the back side. If Rory comes up, shoot him. No. Here, this is where I went. Josh, watch the back side.
Yeah. Top! Did they hit? You got hit, didn't you?
Go! Get out of here!
I can't. Back up! Joe, just dry fire. Run.
No, let's go!
Run!
Go!
Go, Joe!
Let's move!
Let's go!
Go!
Joe, move!
Kyle, are you out?
I don't know where to go.
Hey, should we just surrender? They have like 8 people.
No, we're gonna fight.
Alright.
I've already gotten hit. Oh, God!
Stay down. Okay, we got hit, so we're just gonna go out.
Mitchell, are you out?
Okay, we're out.
We're out!
Hey, we were hit before, we're out. We're out. No, we're going in here. Huh?
Hey guys, come on. They're in the dirt tracks. They're back in the trees. You're on the right trail. I see him. Ambush. Cameron, just go. I'll help you. He's hit.
He's so hit.
You're hit! I saw it hit you, dude. Okay.
Watch out, there's guys on the left.
Pistols. Just get.
Holy crap, they got... Why is John there? I mean, along that ditch. Oh, there's the good team. Dude, you don't just look back.
Oh my. Behind the tree! I was hit, but hit in the knee. Come on. Well, actually, I was hit right earlier, so technically I'm not surrendering. Yeah. Charging the people behind the bridge. All 16 of us.